All right, so this is going to be a 7 to 8 camera install at a preschool. So just starting from the back fence, we're going to be doing one up high on this corner to look at this area here. We're going to be doing 2 in this area, one on the outside post going up a little bit on a 4-foot post to kind of look at the playground and the walkway. And then we're going to be doing one up underneath the hallway to look at the rest of the underneath the classroom entrance. There's going to be one all the way down at the hallway looking back at us, so just keep that in mind. And then once we walk over here to this side, our 4th camera. It's going to be here on this post. You can see the attic, pretty much this is an L. It goes all the way across. AC, HVAC guy has complete access to the whole attic. So our 4th camera is going to be going right here on this side to kind of overlook these little benches and storage area. This is our 2nd camera up underneath the hallway here. That's going to be a 90-degree shot. It's going to be looking both this direction and also this direction. And we'll go to the front for the rest of the camera shots.